The program of KURURUMURA was meant at giving young people skills and also livelihood, in that during the time when they are training, they get some stipend to be able to support themselves, and then they are subjected through internship, and during that time also they get some support. So it is a way of livelihood support, while at the same time giving young people skills. So we are here today to now assess the readiness of our master craftsmen, the apprentices, who are going to train our young people, their readiness to resume work and ensure that they comply with the COVID-19 Ministry of Health regulations. So we hope that Cycle 4, which was suspended when COVID was announced as a pandemic, will resume in another 2 weeks' time. The hand washing station that that is behind me was designed by one of the master craftsmen with the apprentices that he was teaching here. And these are now stations that are available. They're using, I've used it when I was in the room, when I was testing it, and it is working superbly. We've seen young people coming out with innovations to be able to combat this pandemic. So this has come to demonstrate that Kenyans, we are innovative, we are agile, and we can solve our own problems when we mean to. So far we've been to Nairobi, we've been to Mombasa, we've been to Kilifi, we've been to Kwale, we've been to Kitui, Machakos, and what we are seeing is that all the master craftsmen are ready to resume the work. Yes. The young people, the ones who have greatly been affected during this time of COVID. There are quite a number of programs and schemes run by government to enable young people attain skills. KEOP, Kenya Youth Employment Opportunities Program, is just one of them. We have the Ministry of Education with the TVETs that are running our program for vocational training. We also have youth, that is affirmative funds, that is youth fund, we have women enterprise fund, we have WEZO fund. These are schemes by government to ensure that young people not only have a variety of opportunities for them to be able to earn a living, so that instead of just looking for the blue collar jobs, they have a skill, they can start their own business. They have funds where they can get startup capital, and also they can be employed. Since the start of this program 2.5 years ago, we've so far trained 45,000 young people. And of these 45,000, 39,000 have steady jobs. And the other balance are running their own businesses. So this is a very high transition rate from unemployment to jobs. And we have Kenya Institute of Property Rights, which is an arm of government. Things that as you pitch your innovation, before you share full details, can you sign a non-disclosure agreement with whoever you are pitching your idea to, so that when that person sees the potential, you know, somebody will come, you pitch to, and then they run away with your idea. So with non-disclosure agreement, which now we are working with our agencies to ensure that young people have templates which they can immediately before they start, they sign that non-disclosure agreement. In every county now, every sub-county, we have a technical vocational training school where anybody who does not qualify to university will go there to get a skill. And the skill is